Hi beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you a very simple homemade remedy that will help you to clean, clear and wash down your cologne. Okay, so the thing is that if you're not healthy inside, it's actually not going to show from the outside. Okay, that's it. It's actually garbage in, garbage out. What you take in is actually what you get from the outside. So if you're healthy inside, that's when whatever you use on your skin is going to be very effective and very working really well. So this homemade remedy is actually going to help you to clear and clean your cologne, and your body is going to be really smart and you're going to be really healthy. So let me take you right into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video. And now let's go. So clean your cologne, guys, and to have a healthy body. Okay, because when your cologne is dirty, your body is going to be, you're just going to be contracting some disease and all of that. And when your cologne is not clean, you're not going to be feeling well. So you're going to be needing this, and this is garden egg. It has to be this green one, okay, because there are two types of garden egg, the white one and this green one. This green one, the difference is that it used to be very bitter, and that is what we need. Okay, anything that works really well, get bitter. So this is what we're going to be needing, and what we're going to do is that we're going to cut this in pieces. Just like this. Alright, so we're going to be transferring that into a blender. Okay, putting a little water to blend it. This water is perfect, and then you're going to go and blend this. Yeah. Alright, so now you would have to blend your garden egg. It has to be green garden egg, and it has to be really blended. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, but what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna sieve this out. Okay, you're gonna sieve it out, and then you're gonna remove all of the particles, and it's gonna be left with just juice. Okay, so you're gonna sieve this all out. So here is the juice, and this is how it looks like. Now the next ingredient you're going to be needing for this is going to be garlic. Now garlic is a very powerful and medicinal remedy that helps so much in cleaning your cologne. Now when you eat garlic, you're going to feel the difference, yeah, because it's going to work from your mouth down to your throat and down to your intestine, and it's going to be really hot, burning down excessive fat and burning down all clogged tubes, making your stomach really free. All right, and cleaning all of those bad stuff. So what you're going to do is that you're going to peel the garlic. Okay guys, so now what you do is that you would have to cut this garlic into tiny pieces. Okay, now you can as well blend it, okay, but I'm gonna be telling you the reason why you cut it into pieces. Okay, now you have to cut it into tiny pieces so that when you're drinking this drink, you're going to be chewing the garlic, okay, because it's far more better when you chew the garlic and you swallow it, and then it walks down from your mouth down to your throat and down to your intestine. It does the job. So I'm gonna be, but you can as well also blend it if you don't want to chew it, because it's not very easy, you know, chewing garlic. So after cutting them into smaller pieces, I would have to be putting it into the cup, and this is it. Then you stir it, yeah. Now the next thing you're going to be needing, which is very important here, is apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is one natural great remedy in flushing out your colon. All right, it helps so much in removing all of the stored, you know, yama yama that is in your belly, and you have to use the raw and unfiltered one. If you can see here, there are some particles in this apple cider vinegar, and it has to be the one that contains the mother in it. Now this is so that it's going to work really well, and then it's just going to help you to flush out all of your system, and it's wonderful. So you're going to put in 1 tablespoon in a half glass of garden egg juice. Yeah, if you're using this to flush out your colon, the concentration has to be a little much, okay, so that it just does the job. Okay, now after that is done, then you would stir it. And one more ingredient which is very important is lemon. Now lemon is a great ingredient remedy that works so well in rejuvenating your skin. It helps to leave your skin really young, and it also helps to flush out toxins in the body. By mixing it with other ingredients, it helps to flush out the colon, and you are going to be having a wonderful health. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut this lemon into two. Okay, since you've put one tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a half glass of garden egg juice, you would have to put just a little quantity of lemon, okay, so that the concentration is not going to be too much. All right, so you have to extract all of the seed, just like what I'm doing now, and then you squeeze that in. Squeeze all of the juice in, and this is perfect, guys. All right, so now the last thing you do is to stir it, and stir it really good, okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, all right, so you drink this at least 3 times in a week to flush out your colon, have a healthy health, and then your skin also is going to respond. All right guys, so the thing is that when your colon is blocked and then you don't have you're not healthy from the inside, it's going to tell from the outside. Okay, so you have to be very healthy from the inside, and then you're going to see the results from the outside. From the outside, it's going to be really bright, really beautiful, and you are going to be loving your skin. Okay, and this is also going to prevent you from aging early. Yeah, so you drink this 3 times in a week, and let me have a take of this. And all right. Okay, so the garlic is actually pepperish, yeah, but not like very pepperish. That's how garlic is. But if you don't want to chew the garlic, you can blend it just like I said initially, okay? And then you pour it in and mix everything up. Take this 3 times in a week, and you will have a clear cologne. And when your cologne is clean, you are healthy. Okay guys, so that's it. Have you seen that? Drink that as often as you can, and it's actually going to help you so much. It also helps to get rid of stomach fat when you reduce all of those fatty foods and all of those, you know, carbohydrates and all of those stuff. Okay, so it's actually going to help you so much. So that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.